Hello, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. Today is Wednesday and Wednesday is our errand day. So, meron tayong mga gagawin today. First is pupunta ako sa laser clinic. So, this year actually, I finally decided to tackle one of my biggest insecurity, which is my underarm. I've been like scared na itackle to because takot ako sa laser for some reason. My armpit is very sensitive sa laser. Today is my second session and kasama ko si David kasi off din siya. And then after that, we're going to pick up yung in-order namin na cover ng bed ni Light sa IKEA kasi magkalapit lang naman yun sila. After, mag-weekly grocery na kami. Wala na kaming maluluto for this week. So, every Wednesday, nagre-refresh yung weekly budget namin for groceries. Or maybe, magre-Raymans muna kami. Yung Raymans nila dito is parang national bookstore natin sa Pilipinas. Kasi sa Friday, may World Book Day sila Light, activity sa school. Kailangan nilang mag-dress up as a character ng favorite book nila. Tapos nung tinanong namin sila, syempre, obvious answer, trains yung gusto niya. So, gagawin namin siyang train. So, we're going to buy some paint and some materials for that. So, yun. Today is a very productive day. Let's go. Hi guys, I just finished my treatment. Okay lang siya, hindi siya masyadong masakit. Then, I'm going to do my third treatment after 6 weeks. But so far, actually, okay yung results ng first treatment ko. I noticed really konti na lang yung tumutubong hair. So, I'm really happy about that. But then, the main thing apart from hair growth is actually to smoothen the skin, less yung chicken skin. So, I'm so excited sa further sessions ko and for the result, like yung final result. After this, we're going to IKEA na. It's just gonna be a 10-minute walk from here. It was very good. No pain at all. Siguro pain score is like 1/10. Asa? This one? Ay, naman sa anak. How about this one? 7 pounds. Super cute ng bedsheet na to. Ayan siya. Super cute. Simple lang. Comes with its own. Ito, tinani ang setting. Nakuha na namin yung order namin from IKEA and then we decided pupunta na lang kami ng Panadera kasi malapit lang siya dito. Panadera is a Filipino bakery here in London and gusto namin siyang itry. So naglalakad lang kami ngayon sa may Oxford Street. Ayan. It's not too busy kasi anong oras na ba? It's still 11:40 so it's not very busy right now. Pero this is the famous Oxford Street. Ayan, madaming mga stores. We're here. Oh. Ayan guys, Panadera. So, naghintay na lang kami ng order namin. Ang in-order ko is yung kanilang famous na sandwich na may corned beef. And then, the other one, I got Spanish latte. Dami silang customer. Business is booming, which is great to promote Filipino food, Filipino pastry. So, that's really nice. Number 13 kami. So, pag mag-order ka na, bibigyan ka nila ng number and then maghihintay ka lang sa order mo. in-order namin because parang malaki naman yung survey. And then, I got a Spanish latte. Actually, napaka-cool ng ano nila. Ang ilahang ano ba? Siya, guys. And then, I can smell garlic. Marag crispy siya nga, ano? Parang meron siyang peanut butter. Unique. Glue, stapler. Para may cartolina. White. Ano yung 3 pounds? Kaya nakag-white to gray. This is the Cura. Let's assemble Light's bed cover. Lately, si Light natutulog na siya sa room niya. Although sometimes, kailangan pa niya ng kasama.
I like it.
Okay, hi vlog!
Hi, vlog.
Hi everybody!
Hi, everybody.
Actually, maganda ang weather today, pero ang priority namin today is gawin yung project ni Light for Friday. So, hindi muna kami lalabas. Meron naman akong annual leave next week. So, next week, hopefully, makakapag-family day kami. Magluluto ako ng ano guys, saging tsaka boiled egg para snacks namin. I'm going to cook these 2 plantains. Ito yung parang saging na saba nila dito. Wala kasi yung version natin here. So, plantain ang ginagamit namin. Medyo hinog na siya. So, mga iboboil ko lang siya ng mga 15 minutes. Tsaka magboboil din ako ng egg. And also kanina, bumili ako ng pickles. Minsan nag-order kami sa labas. Tapos meron siyang ganyan. Ito is sliced gherkins. Yung parang maliliit na cucumber. Ayan. Excited akong kainin siya at i-try siya. Hopefully, hindi ako ma-disappoint. Isa na lang natira, pero bumili kami ng bagong egg. Ayan. I'm gonna cook mga 4 because gusto din ni Light ng boiled egg. Siya guys, ang mukha niya if you're looking at it from the outside. 4 circles for the wheels. Ayan. Paint na ni David yung base ng aming train with the white acrylic paint. But this is the train that he likes, yung London Underground na train. So we're just trying to copy this one. Ito yung model. Ganito yung nakita ko sa Pinterest na closer na shape sa gusto naming ma-achieve. Nagising na si Light galing sa nap niya and he's helping us paint the train. I have boiled egg, some banana, and pickles.
Pickles.
Hi, good morning. Today is Thursday. It's currently 1:07 in the afternoon and the weather today is actually quite nice. It's 16 to 17 degrees outside right now. So, naisip ko na mag-restart ng aking running sessions. Actually, last year, nag-running kami ng asawa ko. We followed the Couch to 5K. Hindi namin siya natapos last year, so I was a bit bummed about that. I like it kasi progressive siya, hindi siya yung basta tatakbo ka lang. Meron siyang guide to build up your running endurance, if that makes sense. So, this year, I want to complete the challenge kasi hanggang week 3 lang kami ng asawa ko last time. So, in total, this challenge is actually 9 weeks. So, I'm going to restart my running challenge today. Magsa-sunblock lang ako. Ito yung gusto kong gamit kapag nagmamadali ako. This one is from Purito. It's their Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen Stick. Ang napakadali lang niyang i-apply. Yung husband ko, gusto din niyang mag-restart ng running. So, maybe we can do that next week. And ganyan siya. And then, just literally glide it. Sobrang easy lang yung i-apply. Pwede mo siyang i-reapply on the go. Ganon. This is our fit, guys. Eto, yung vest na to. Nabili namin to sa Amazon last year. So, may dala akong 500 ml na water bottle. Ayan, kasya siya sa likod. Ayan, sakto lang siya. Let's go! Hi guys! I'm back at home and I'm so happy na nagawa natin yung run na yon. Grabe! Lisod kaayo. Basta dugay nakangwa nakadagan. Yung mudagan kagbalik mo. I was running out of breath. I think dungog kayo kung ipaningot yung ko niya. Nindot kayo because the weather is so good. So, helps parang motivate you or keep you inspired to be outside and do some, running. Maligo sa ta because later on, I have to pick up my son again from school. And speaking of my son, kahapon, we started to do his project for tomorrow na World Book Day. And this is now the update. Cute kaayo, tanawa. I already put the underground na label sa iyang mini train. And then it's so cute. We just need to attach a strap so that he can carry it tomorrow. So, I'm just gonna take a bath and then I'll update you guys in a bit. There's so many cherry blossoms, let's see. Wow! Nandito kami ngayon sa park, guys, because we're gonna meet my friend after school. Papasya lang namin si Lai tsaka yung anak niya sa park. Ang ganda na ng park kasi it's almost spring na. So, yung mga cherry blossoms dito nasa-start na silang mag-bloom. It's so nice! Look! It's so nice! Go, go, go!